On March 31st, 2022, the Inventor Professional 2023 was released. This is the first view of the new release, but as you know, we used to work with the dark version. Let's change this. We go to Application Options, Colors. Let me stretch this. Colors, and we select dark. Apply, and we wait for a while. Now we have the same presentation like in our previous tutorials. Another new is this one, where we select the project, or we can use this settings to select our project, for instance this one. Good. Please read the bad news, my friend.